they just kept serving him drink after drink after drink.
And then the driver got behind the wheel and crashed, killing himself and a passenger. Should the bar that served him have to pay? Good evening and welcome to Channel 4 News at 6.
A father whose child was the passenger in that crash is now suing the bar he believes let the driver drink too much. He has a message for other businesses selling and serving alcohol that he hopes will save other lives. Channel 4's Nancy Ames is here with a story you won't see anywhere else. Nancy?
There is an important message a grieving father wants everyone to hear. Places that serve alcohol share the legal responsibility for seeing that their patrons don't leave and drive drunk. 28-year-old Mitchell Sweat was out celebrating someone's birthday January 19th. It would be the last night of his life. He was Robert Sweat's only child.
When I wake up in the morning, that's the first thing that hits me is my son has passed.
Mitchell Sweat died, police say, in the passenger seat of the Lexus driven by his girlfriend's father, Larry Bowers. Police say the car swerved and hit a tree 2 miles from the bar on Nolensville Road where Bowers and Sweat had been drinking. Mitchell's father blames the bar for over-serving Bowers.
They just kept serving him drink after drink after drink, knowingly that he was drunk.
His blood alcohol level was above 0.2, which is twice the legal limit.
Attorney Rocky McElhaney has filed a $15 million lawsuit against the owner of TNT Billiards for what he says Mitchell Sweat went through. He burned to death, pinned in the wreckage.
He was obviously conscious. He was moaning, and then one of the witnesses said that by the time the fire department got there, he had been burning for several minutes.
In Tennessee, places that serve alcohol can be held responsible for over-serving patrons and letting them drive drunk.
Serving someone too much alcohol is like throwing a rattlesnake in a crowd of people.
They could have either cut him off or made sure they had a ride home or a cab or anything other than driving home.
The owner of TNT Billiards said his lawyer advised him not to give an interview.
I don't know what to do with myself anymore, so.
Robert Sweat is struggling to cope with the grief of losing his son.
He had the brightest blue eyes that I've ever seen. He was a great person. He was a beautiful person. He had a good soul, and he loved a lot of people. He was a type of person that liked all.
Now, there's a state law that makes it illegal to provide alcohol to someone who's visibly intoxicated. Demetria?